My name is Ola Stenegard. I'm Director of Design for India Motorcycles. And I'm here today to pick up my Chief Barber. And it's been a long time coming. This is a bike that I honestly dreamt 20 years of doing. And to finally be able to pick it up here, that's pretty damn amazing. And I also thought it was a good occasion to get cleaned up a little bit, because while picking up a nice new clean bike, I also need to be cleaned up a bit.
Welcome. What do you have in mind today?
So to be honest, I haven't actually used a racer for like over 35 years.
All right.
But I thought, since I can finally pick up my Barber today, I thought it was a good day to clean up a little bit. Yeah. But I'm actually going to let you, give you free hands. So yeah, feel free to do whatever you want. Something that fits the bike and fits me.
Yeah, of course.
So this is seriously the bike that's been, with me in my head for at least 20 years. And to be able to be part of the team that actually realized this bike, and to get kind of a second chance, because the first time I started sketching or thinking about this bike was back during the Gilroy era, because I used to work for India Motorcycles in Gilroy. So yeah, that's pretty much exactly 20 years ago. And to get back then we never realized the bike. We never had the chance to put it on the road. So, I mean, you follow the bike over years in the studio. You see it in all these different stages. From seeing the motor sitting on a crate with some steel tubes around it, like a bare skeleton, all the way up, you see it through clay, all the different various clay stages. You see it painted, you see it dressed up with all the chrome and all the bits and all the hard model bits. You see it as a prototype. You see the test riders, hammer through all the validation cycles. But to actually walk into a dealership and see the finished bike that rolled off the factory floor, being able to get the key and take the bike out, roll it out the door and take it home, that's a totally different thing. It's a totally different thing than seeing it in the studio, because now it's alive, it's real, the heart is beating, and just being able to throw your leg over it and ride it home, that's a pretty damn humbling experience.
Mr. Nunes.